This is agave. It's a plant that grows in hot and dry regions in Mexico, and it's essential for making tequila, including Patrón tequila. The Patrón distillery corks 80 tequila bottles per minute, and the company sold 40 million bottles of ultra-premium tequila in 2016.
If you're into margaritas, you're probably familiar with tequila. But what a lot of people don't know is not all tequila is 100% agave tequila. We're here in Jalisco, Mexico, finding out what makes Patrón the real deal.
A bottle of Patrón Silver costs $50, or $600 for a 12-bottle case, while a top-shelf handmade crystal bottle of Patrón and Lalique Serie costs $7,500. These prices put Patrón in the super premium tequila category. And despite the high price, super premium tequila accounted for nearly 19% of all tequila sold in the US in 2016.
If you go back 30 years, the experience of drinking tequila was like a macho situation of have a shot. You can see now there's also people just sipping tequila and not only the shot thing.
But why does it cost so much? For Patrón, it comes down to its traditional handcrafted and small batch system. The process begins with the agave plant. Agave is known for its leathery leaves that range in size from a few centimeters to 8 feet. Jimadores chop agave into a round shape to reveal the heart of the plant, called a piña. One piña can produce around 1 case, which is about 12 bottles of tequila. Patrón receives roughly 8,000 piñas from the agave fields each day. Patrón began production at the Jalisco distillery in 2002, and the recipe has remained the same.
We are using the most traditional methods. Why some people in the industry has been applying technology to the process, the traditional method is the one that will give you much more of the agave into the glass.
Patrón makes several varieties of ultra-premium tequila, including silver, reposado, and añejo. The distillery produces 30 times as much tequila compared to its first day of operation in 2002. More than 400 employees at a given time work to cork, seal, and label each bottle by hand. At least 60 hands touch each bottle. Then the bottles are carefully wrapped in Patrón's signature green paper and boxed for shipment. Earlier this year, Bacardi bought out Patrón, valuing the tequila maker at $5.1 billion. But Patrón says the deal will not change the traditional way it makes its tequila.
The key decision that the company had was to respect the process of Francisco Alcaraz, or master distiller. We have much more equipment, but it's always the same material, the same size, and the same kind of process that we have since day one.